Hi honey, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. So this week I'm doing a look that I've done for years and I'm sure you all have a look like this. You know that look where it's like you have to look cute at this place you're going and you're definitely not trying anything new or adventurous because what if you mess up and you look bad at the event? Not possible. So you lean back into your signature look, the one where you can do it with your eyes closed. It's so easy for you because you've done it so many times before and you trust that you're going to look nice. This is that look for me. It's a brown smoky eye, minimal face makeup, very glowy, and the eyes are super smoky with like a really sharp eyeliner. Anyway, let me leave you guys with this tutorial and stop talking your ear off. I will pop in every now and again to explain things that I guess are inexplicable. No, what's that word? Inexplicable. That was the word I was trying to say. I had to go on Google and search it and make Google say it to me because it was really driving me crazy that I couldn't pronounce it right. I completely forgot the pronunciation of that word. Oh, and last thing, I promise I'd leave you to the makeup just now. I'm not mentioning any of the products' names because you can really do this look with any products. Now to our true transition shade, I'm taking this orange, like an orange, almost brown, almost mustard, and this is going to go throughout the crease. Now introducing you to the clean fluffy brush. You'll be seeing a lot of this guy. I will constantly be going back in with this brush to blend out the colors so they blend evenly with each other. So now introducing the browns into the look, which will really smoke it up. I'm keeping this color on just the outer part of my eye, so where the end of the crease is, and going back and forth to where the middle would start. And then I'm going to use the big fluffy brush to go back and forth completely now all the way to the beginning. And that will help the brown and the orange really blend together well. Now I'm adding a little bit more of that brown, and this one I won't blend with the big blending brush. That way I'll keep that intensity and that brown smokiness towards the outer part of my eye. This part I'm really going to darken it up using a darker brown, and this brown I'm going to apply in a V motion. So I'm just trying to make like a V shape towards the outer part of my eye and really smoke it out. Here you can see how much definition putting that darker brown color gives you, and in that V shape it really pulls it. Now I'm going to go back in with that original transition color, and I'm putting that just in the middle because after all the blending we did kind of lose it. So here I'm about to start doing my eyeliner, and I didn't realize that I wasn't in shot because I was concentrating so hard. And then I did realize, and I started doing my eyeliner in shot and slowly drifted right out of shot. So yay me. Sorry about that, guys. Just popping back in to give a shout out to my sisters who do their eyeshadow for foundation. We're lucky enough to wipe our faces like this, so So you guys know the drill. You wait for your concealer to dry and that way you get more coverage. I don't know why, but it works. Okay, so be a little bit more careful than me when you're blending out your concealer, because clearly I wiped a bit of my brow off, but that's okay because it was an opportunity to make them more feathery. I'm really into the feathery eyebrows look these days, but I haven't quite mastered the art of it. Clearly, you need to be a lot more careful than me in almost everything. But don't worry, with makeup, you make a mistake, you just go in and fix it and everything's fine. Okay, so I hate the fact that I can't see what I'm doing in this part of my eyeshadow routine. So I've come up with this little thing that I do where I put way too much on because I can't see. And then I take a fluffy brush with my powder and I blend out the edges, and suddenly it goes from grungy weirdo to like nice smoked out under eye. Okay, so a lot of the times I do a red lip or a nude lip. This time I'm just doing some lip gloss. I mean, you can really switch it up the way you want with lips. So I hope you guys like this look. I clearly really do. I do it all the time. They're just the shades that flatter me, the shape that flatters me. It just is. But if you guys like this video, please do give it a like, subscribe, share it with a friend who wants to try this look out, or you think this look would look good on them. And I will see you next Monday because I post every Monday and Friday. Bye!